What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to remove check-in on Facebook. Firstly, when you're on your profile section and you're gonna find a photo or a post that is with a check-in on your site and you want to remove it, just simply go to your three dots on that post and go for edit post. Then, as you can see right down on the fourth selection, you have the option for checking in or for location. Click on that one, and here what you need to do, as you can see currently selected, you need to go on the X on the right upper side. By clicking on it, get back and go for save on your right upper side with a blue session. Then take a refresh, get back into your post, and here as you can see we have removed our checked in on our Facebook post. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.